In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop sharing your Instagram stories to Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Instagram app. Once it is done, tap right here to go to your Instagram profile. Then tap at these three lines to go to settings and activity, and now we need to scroll down until we find sharing and remixes. Once you find this option, tap on it to get into it. And now we need to scroll down all the way until we find share story to Facebook. As you can see, currently this option turned on, and if you would like to stop sharing stories to Facebook, we just need to turn it off, just like that. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.